Welcome sa Lutong Inato. Hello everyone. Let's cook honey glazed chicken recipe.
My
Stay
God.
tuned. Finish the video until the end. Enjoy. Ingredients: we have red onion, garlic, and ginger. Then marinate the chicken with soy sauce and lemon. Sa mainit na kawali, let's put cooking oil. And then let's saute the spices. Next, the marinated chopped chicken. And then let's mix it all together. Yun, no? Let's put some salt, ground pepper, seasoning, turmeric powder according to your taste, and soy sauce, pangdagdag kulay, and oyster sauce, pangdagdag sarap. Yun, no? And then finally, let's put the honey. Yun, luto na po ang ating honey glazed chicken. Follow for more videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy! Let's eat. Ayan po. Please comment kung saan umabot ang video na to. God bless. Bye!